Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's DOGECOIN video update for Sunday 30 January. And this is always crazy, man. The DOGECOIN is always crazy, but unfortunately ever since some few days back we've actually lost a level that was so important to DOGECOIN. And that's it, wrap it up guys. So the start of the fall has just started, in my opinion, and we haven't seen the bottom just yet. Okay, yes, I do know and I do believe that DOGECOIN has made a small pullback, but this is not the pullback that we need to see, and this is not the pullback that is actually there to save us anymore, because the reason is simple. We've broken down of a descending triangle and we're looking to go down to the technical target. Now, to be honest with you, whenever you break out of a descending triangle, what is the technical target? I'm going to tell you. So I'm going to measure by the percentage here from the bottom to from top to bottom. That's like 77% drop. So basically, yes, you might make the case that you could be looking for a 77% drop, a very, very bad, nasty drop. Okay, what we're going to see about it, we might not even go all the way down there. So my pick still is we could potentially just go to this price level, which is the 0.618, up to that price level. And once you hit the 0.618, you bounce off here and you continue to the upside. Now the good news is, if you do go to the 0.618, remember you have the last swing high right there as well, so you can find some support there. People lose hope, it goes sideways a little bit for a long time, maybe by the end of the year, and then start to continue the rise towards the upside as well. So basically, if you do cross this 0.618 and hold the 0.618, put a tick there, because you are on a technical journey to go to $40 on a higher time frame. Yes, on a higher time frame, and that's just how it is. It's true. If you're gonna cross the golden ratio like this, unless of course, if you don't dump to the downside and lose the 0.618, then you're gonna be creating a very big reversal wave, even potentially dropping to these levels and this level as well. I mean, that's just how nasty cryptocurrency can be. But do you know, I still think that this could be a bottom. I'm not crystal clear about it, but this could be a bottom, because um, talking about Bitcoin, and please watch the Bitcoin update. There's an Elliott wave theory, 5 counts, and I'm actually going to show you Bitcoin right now. So here we are. This is the Bitcoin chart, and I've been making that the case potentially. You could have this Elliott wave theory for the fourth wave. So this was your first wave, second wave, third wave. You're just looking to go for the fourth wave, okay? Maybe end up in 24,000, maybe end up in 28,000 or $29,000, and then from there you actually continue to the fifth wave. Do you see that? So that's the potential play that could be on for Bitcoin, and you could still see Bitcoin going to $130,000 by the end of the year. Okay, so that potentially could also mean that Doge just goes to that 0.618 golden ratio that I've actually drawn for you, and you bottom out completely at this level, and from there, you also have a level of support because of this rise of prices from there. And then when you touch this level, you could actually consolidate a little bit, and then you go back up to that long-term targets basically that I've been giving you, which is going to be the 0.5 and the $1 potentially. Because I don't know, guys, maybe I'm going to make one video to tell you why I'm always I have my own experience and observation with Dogecoin for 4 years now, and I've been watching Dogecoin when it was literally like down in these areas, and people were saying it's a scam coin, it will never go up, and it spent a lot of times, maybe a year, probably a year, disturbing the mind of many people, and then finally broke with a huge volume to the upside. So what was happening down there was nothing more than accumulation. Okay, accumulation, people are buying and selling, and then finally it actually broke and then continued to the upside. So maybe I'm gonna make one video, and I was even talking about the Dogecoin one day is gonna be listed on Binance, and back in that time it was like 2017 18, and I used to say it was injustice for Dogecoin that it's not on the Binance as well. So later on, fast forward after 1 or 2 years, it got listed on Binance. Okay, and I was giving a lot of price prediction even back in the days. The Dogecoin is one of those coins that can actually go 100x, and it did. That's the reason why I still remain bullish on it on a higher time frame until the next bull cycle. Okay, if you actually zoom in into this thing, there's a lot of noise. There is a lot of noise. You're gonna feel very, very bad and stupid for investing even here, okay, even at the top here. And I didn't invest there. So many people, we ended up investing at the 31 and 32. I know that. And we've been down for 50%. I know that. But the thing is, if you want to look at it that way, based on a midterm, yes, there's a potential floating loss. It's not even a loss unless you just don't sell that coin. You're not in a loss because what one went down today after some few months can go up. Okay, and this is that kind of coin that I mean, not a financial advice in the here, but just speaking my own research in my own mind, that this kind of coins, man, considering Doge is the king, like Bitcoin, in terms of meme coins, this thing has I mean, it's quite believable in the future it could go to this price. Quite believable. I don't know when. I wish there was a time I can tell you, but it's kind of believable you could just go down, consolidate here, and then in the future just even go to that $40 until the next cycle. Until the next cycle, that can happen. Nobody believed this kind of pump to the upside. Nobody believed that, and you're not, potentially not going to believe it when it goes again. You might not believe in it. So if we actually hold the golden ratio on a higher time frame, it's going to take a lot of months to actually climb up to that $40 region. Unless, once again, unless you don't start losing the golden ratio and backtest and fail, then you go even way more down. And God knows if it's gonna go up once again, maybe here from here. But the thing is, I hope that Bitcoin just completes that fourth wave dump so that we can have a little bit of a breather with Dogecoin as well to move to the upside. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.